welcome to another episode of 3 Minutes with Jesus. Wherever you are and whatever you're facing, remember these next 3 minutes can change your heart and strengthen your faith. For today's episode, we will tackle what it truly means to show love in action, inspired by the parable of Good Samaritan, which teaches us to show compassion through action.
One of the most beautiful Bible stories that shows love is the parable of the Good Samaritan from the book of Luke. Luke chapter 10, verse 25 to 37. In this story, Jesus tells of a man that traveling from Jerusalem to Jericho, who is attacked by the robbers. Siya ay binugbog, hinubaran ng damit at iniwan sa daan. May isang napadaan na pare at nakita ang sugatang lalaki. Ngunit siya ay umiwas at nagpatuloy sa kanyang paglalakad. Sumunod ay may isang levita o tagapaglingkod sa templo na dumaan din. Nakita niya ang lalaki, ngunit siya ay umiwas at nagpatuloy din. Pagdating ng isang Samaritano, nakita niya ang sugatan at nakakaawang lalaki. Nahabag siya at tinulungan ito. He didn't ignore him. Instead, he stopped, gently leaned and bandaged his wound, carried him to safety, and made sure he was cared for. Jesus ended the story by asking, sino sa tatlong lalaki ang nagpakita ng tunay na pagiging kapwa sa lalaking iyon? The answer is the one who showed mercy.
What this story teaches us about love. This story shows that love is active, not just a feeling. Hindi lang ito basta damdamin, kailangan mo din to pinapakita sa gawa. Love crosses social and cultural boundaries. Hindi pinipili ang pagbibigay ng pag-ibig sa estado, lahi o relihiyon kasi ang pag-ibig ay para sa lahat. Love involves sacrifices. Minsan, kailangan mo isakripisyo ang oras o lakas o komportableng kalagayan mo para sa kapakanan ng iba.
This story shows that true love means showing mercy and kindness to anyone in need, no matter who they are.
Thank you for being with us on 3 Minutes with Jesus.
Let's take this love we've learned and let it shine in our daily lives.
Bye and God bless.